Hi, English 12. I hope this video finds you well. A couple of things I just wanted to go over the week with you guys. You only have class on Monday and Wednesday of this week, which means you'll only turn in work for me on 2 of the days this week. The rest of the days you have Arabic and Islamic. On Monday, we're going to be wrapping up Wordsworth poems with the questions. We're going to do some close reading questions, and then on Wednesday, you will be taking a quiz over the Wordsworth poems for me. Further details to come on how you'll be taking the quiz, whether you'll be doing time slots or if it's going to be Edulastic or just a normal PDF quiz. I will post everything further on in the week, so don't worry about that yet. A little bit of feedback from week 1. Some of you have taken the assignments very seriously, and that's great. I'm really happy that you've done your work successfully, you've been taking notes, etc. However, there are a large number of you that are not doing your work at an adequate level. You're either not taking notes fully or you're taking notes from other students instead of doing your own work. And I want to make it very clear that it is 100% unacceptable for you to take another person's work, including notes. Okay, I know that you guys think that it's okay, it's not plagiarism. It is still plagiarism. If you're submitting something to me for work, which you are, to be marked as present, then you can't have taken it from another student. Okay, so the first week, I'll kind of give you a little bit of leeway on this, but I want to make it really clear. If I find that 2 assignments are exactly the same or with close enough resemblance that I have suspicions that you've cheated, you will both receive a 0. Not only the person who originally sent the assignment, but the person who submitted the copy. Okay? If you have any questions about week 2 or the activities as I post them, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. And I will see you guys next week.